Hi everyone, welcome to the Diecast Collection Videoarts channel. I will show you the Combat Medic by Hot Wheels. The Combat Medic is a fantasy model of a large van. This is, from what I can see, this is a large delivery van with a lot of paint designs in certain parts of the body. It's very colorful. Another thing about being colorful, this is part of the Art Car series. Let's take a look at the Combat Medic, starting with the passenger side. In the passenger side, it has same-sized wheels, green ones, many paint designs on the orange body. It's just like a comic book. Line details for the passenger door over here. On the driver's side, it's almost the same setup, except that the paint designs are different on this side. So it's very colorful. It even has these message bubbles. The differences between this side and the other side that we saw earlier is the message bubble, along with the other paint designs, are a little bit different. The message bubble is on the passenger window. So if someone is sitting here, then it appears that the passenger is saying something like this one. If you flip on the other side, the paint designs, the message bubble is at the back. So you can pretend that someone is at the back and a message is being said by this bubble, just like in a comic book. In the front, unlike on the sides, there aren't any paints. It's all casting details. The orange metal body, the plastic front that has the grill, the lights over here, grill in the middle. It's very generic, no specific brand of van. And above the bumper are these little circles for the signal lights. The windshield has a tint of blue-green color. At the back, it does not have any paints. This is just a runover of the side paints from the explosion over here, but there aren't any paints at the back. But we do see a large amounts of plastic. It has the plastic door and the bumper that is part of the plastic base. Like on the sides, here's the top. I'll make it stand here. There are some raised forms, ridges, and above the ridges are the paint designs, similar on the sides. Very artistic comics. It has the letter A being part of the art cars, and what I like about this paint design is, in addition to being colorful, the letter A is somehow aligned with the A in the crash word. Pretty looking. For the interior, on the passenger side, and here, passenger, you can see the glove compartment right here. Here's the glove compartment. And the dials or meters in the dashboard around here. So turning the car around here. It's kind of hard to show in the video. I'm going to turn it back here. So here are the dashboard details, and behind it is the driver's wheel in the form of cylinder, like other truck-based vehicles done by Hot Wheels. 2 car seats with cushion details. There are lines on the seats. There's only one seat, to be exact. It's only on the driver's side. There's only one on the left side over here, but there's none on the passenger side. So if I put my pointer in the window, there is no seat. The back is spacious. There isn't any detail inside except for, I guess, the flooring. Because this is a delivery van, many things can be placed here if the doors can open for this model. So this is hollow all throughout inside. At the bottom is the copyright symbol at the center with some chassis details. There are two dates. One is 1976 and the other one is 2012. This is the 2012 edition of this combat medic. I don't have the earlier version, but I assume there are some casting changes from the 1976 version from this version 2012. Okay, for the rolling action, it rolls good. This ends my video art on the Combat Medic by Hot Wheels. Thanks for watching, enjoy your collection, and see you with the next model.